I don't want to steal your thunder right now.
Look how pretty that is, though. Look up and going up in the up there. Marley and I have something in common. We love bubbles. Wow, look at all these, Marley. Look.
No!
Terry, tell me why. Why?
Told the grizzly bear guy. I did.
Look at all the bubbles. Look at all the bubbles in the air. Y'all just aren't excited about it, are you? Y'all just aren't as excited. Look at them, though. Look. Look at them. But let me show you how to do it. Watch Mimi. Going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. See, you just keep doing it until there's no more bubbles.